Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hamdan syukurillah, salatu wassalamu ala asrafil anbiya wa mursalin, Sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in amma ba'd. I am Yahya Muhaimin, Master of Elementary Education Study Program, Boswa University. Excuse me, I want to talk about education in Indonesian and comprehensive analysis, a depth exploration with Indonesia system, highlight its current challenges, historical context, and future trend to inform stakeholders. Education play and pivotal role in shaping a nation's future. It served as cornerstone of economic growth, social equity, and cultural preservation. Indonesia as the world's fourth most popular country, present of unique case study with its different educational landscape. This document provided a thorough analysis of Indonesian education system, covering its historical context, current challenge, and future direction. By understanding the elements stakeholder can contribute to meaningful reform and advancement. Education in Indonesian overview. One, introduce to Indonesian education, and overview on the text education system evolution. Two, about historical context, exploring the historical milestone that shaped education in Indonesia. Three, current education structure, data of the existing structure including level and of education and governance. Four, key challenge, identify major challenge faced by the Indonesian education system today. Five, future trends, forecasting future development and innovation in Indonesian education sector. Six, conclusion, summarizing case insight and implication for stakeholder in education. About in Indonesian education in Indonesia. Education as a natural priority. In the education is recognized as a fundamental driver for nation development, fostering economic growth and social equality. Large population impact, which over 2,070 million people. Innovation face unique education challenges and opportunities meeting in these several needs. Equitable access to education. The goal is ensure all citizens have fair access to quality education, promoting inclusive and equal opportunities. Uh, about evolution of the education system, uh, in the pre-colonial era, uh, education in Indonesian was profit informal knowledge transfer about occurred within families and communications, focus on skill essential for survival, and cultural continuity. Elder and community leader played the role of educator, imparting practical skill, traditional knowledge, and moral values. In Dutch colonial period, the arrival of Dutch colonial rule introduced formal education to Indonesia. However, the system was highly stratified, priorities urban style education and marginalizing local content. Schools were primarily established for the elite, creating significant education inequities. The curriculum emphasized European language skills and administrative skill, leaving indigenous knowledge and cultural studying sidelined. Uh, about post-independence era, following independence era in Indonesian priorities the development of a national education system, effort was made to create an inclusive framework that integrated local values and modern education principles. Key milestone includes the establishment of compulsory education policies, curriculum reforms, and the expansion of education infrastructure, rural and remote areas. About Indonesian education system overview, one, basic education, uh, compressed primary, uh, 6 years, and junior secondary, 3 year education level, two, primary education, and three, junior high school. Next, about the secondary education, duration, the years catering to student age 12 to 15. A student can choose between a general and vocational education track and preparation for higher education of entry into the workforce. Last, higher education, public and private university, polytechnic and academic, increasing enrollment in STEM field, the rest of vocational training and growing emphasis on quality assurance through accreditation system. Next, about primary education system in Indonesia. One, duration of primary education. Two, national curriculum overview. Three, access devices. And four, quality of education challenge. Understanding secondary education in Indonesia. The one, duration of secondary education. Two, type of education offered. Two, outcome of secondary education. The first higher education institution, the one types of institution. Higher education includes public and private universities, polytechnic, and academics as offering unique program. Two, enrollment growth. Participation rate in higher education are on the rise, especially in the STEM field and vocational training program. Three, quality assurance. Accreditation system are vital to maintain education standard and ensuring instructional quality across program. Next, about challenge facing educational. One, of quality disparities. Two, funding issues. Three, teacher training. Next, about key aspect of the national education system. One, national education. Two, curriculum, and three, scholar. Next, impact of technology on education. One, digital learning platform. The rest of online resource and learning tools enhance accessibility and learning spatial. Two, mobile learning. Smartphone facilitate learning, especially in remote areas, making education accessible. And three, a challenge of connectivity. Internet connectivity issues higher and effectiveness of digital education in various regions. Next, digital divide. Disparities in technology access create a digital divide, impacting educational equality. Next, about successful education program overview. Smart School Initiative. One, outcome of Smart School Initiative led to improve student engagement and better learning outcome. Two, community learning center aimed to promotion adult education and lifelong learning opportunities. Three, impact of community learning center result in increased literacy rate and skill development in local community. Next, about PISA ranking and best practice, comparative analysis and learn insight. One PISA ranking Indonesian student performance is reading, mathematics, and skills compared to global peers. Two, learning to Singapore education, examining Singapore teacher training and curriculum for effective education strategies. Next, about future trend Indonesian education. Uh, One, emphasis on STEM education, focus of skills, technology, engineering, and math equip student for future career. Two, lifelong learning and increasing need for continuous education and skill assessment throughout one life. Three, globalization for education, growing partnership with international institutions for informed education exchange opportunities. Next, about challenge of opportunities in the Indonesian education system. One, the first education system with challenge opportunities. Indonesian education system showcase and varied approach, facing handle test present opportunities for growth. Two, importance of government initiative for access and equality. Government effort play a pivotal role in ensuring education access and maintaining high quality standard across the nation. Three, role of the technology and innovative program in enhancing learning. Intelligence technology and innovative education program can significantly improve student learning efficiency and outcome. Four, need for continuous development and reform for student ongoing. Reform and development are vital for the sustainability and advancement of Indonesian education landscape. Thank you for your attention. Have a nice day. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.